Out here on a beautiful Monday with the dogs. Figured I'd do some creek swimming. Kind of wanted to go for bass, but at some ponds around here, but I wanted to take the dogs out. These dogs are not going to make it easy for me. Caught one. Let's go. Girls, come here. I want you girls to get sniffies. Oh no, it's a nice. You wanna sniff it? Let's go. We're on the board. You wanna give it sniffies, Athena? Athena, you want sniffies? Come here. Come here. Let's give her some sniffs. Come here, Athena. Look. Oh no. Sorry, buddy. Let's get you in the water. Sorry, I had to give the girls some sniffs. We got no skunk, baby. Let's go. We're on the board with one. Finally caught a fish. Hasn't been too long. And the girls got sniffs and some licks. So it's a great. Ooh, oh, we lost one. Oh, we caught one. Oh. The dogs are making it pretty hard for me to fish. They keep loving to get in the way. Why can't you like just swim in the pool? Let me have one part of the river. You have the other part. No. You girls always want to go where I want to go, huh? Ooh, caught one. We found them. Look, come here. That was a good amount of fish right there. This nice little fish. You want to take a sniff? Take a sniff? This side. Caught us another beautiful little fish. Ah, pretty, huh? Let's let it go. That's 2 for today, girls. Not bad. Found those little pocket. They're all going right there. So let's keep going, huh? Look at that. They all coming out of that spot. Athena, come here. Got another one. Let's go. I found where they're at. Oh, this is the biggest one of the day. Let's go. Look at that. Look at that. The biggest one of the day, girls. Doing some creek fishing with my little ladies. Look at that. It's beautiful, huh, Venus? Dina, you want to give it a little kiss? And we let her go and we let her go back home? Wanna give it a little kiss? Just let her go. Good girls. That's 3, huh? Alright, so we're gonna be heading out. We're out here for a couple hours, caught a couple fish, found a good spot. I'll remember that for next time. The dogs, you know, they kind of love getting in the way of things. But yeah, I think what it was like three fish, something like that. Some nice size. The last one was a good size, so definitely want to check that out later. But yeah, kind of just wanted to hang out with the dogs before it starts getting cold again. You know, it doesn't really get that cold here in Central Texas, but yeah, it definitely gets too cold in this water to just be walking around in it. So I wanted to hang out with the dogs before that season starts creeping on in. Had fun. They had fun. Go home, relax. Oh, that was a nice bass right there. It was chasing something. I don't know if it got caught on the camera, but it was a decent sized bass. This is a nice sized pool, so that's good to know. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out, relax, probably hang out outside and let them dry off before we go inside the house. But yeah, so don't forget, you know, do the thing, comment, rate, subscribe, all that jazz. Let me know how you guys like these dog videos. I definitely want to put them more, and on these creek videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.